afternoon, everyone. Today we are here. We have joined in this meeting to talk about our project Smart Seller Dashboard for e-commerce website. So, there has been a lot of growth in e-commerce websites where and it has become a burden for sellers to manage the orders, products, and analytics. Recently, as so many people are using e-commerce websites, it has become a burden for them to manage these tasks effectively and many small and medium-sized sellers are facing huge problems to understand those typical websites, and it is becoming very difficult for them. So, to manage and solve all of these problems, we have developed a website, Smart Seller Dashboard. We have also included so many projects, so many new features to solve all these problems. So the objectives of our project are to provide a centralized platform for sellers to manage their e-commerce businesses. And we're also thinking to simplify product and order management with automation. For the automation, we are going to use the Gemini, and we're also thinking of delivering a data-driven insights with revenue charts and product performance analytics. We are planning to include 4 to 5 charts, and we have included them. And we are also implementing multilingual voice search and multilingual support to our website, which makes buyers and sellers easy to use the platform. We're also integrating AI-powered chatbot in both buyer and seller side platforms, and which can also be in many different languages. So, for this project, first we have reviewed many websites like Amazon, Flipkart, Shopify, Meesho, and eBay. From all these platforms, we have this is the plan. This is what we have learned and studied from for the past 1 week about this. And by this, we have understood the following problems. So these are the problems in the current system. Lack of seller-friendly dashboards, poor order tracking and analytics, no multilingual or AI-driven support, and limited product stock monitoring. So we have developed a solution of a smart AI-driven dashboard with product order and analytics management. We have also included role-based authentication for both sellers, buyers, and administrators. We have also included features like voice search and chatbot for assistance. So the tech stack for our project is for the front end, we are using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React. For the backend, we are going with Node.js, Express.js, Cors, and Google APIs. For the database, we are using Google Spreadsheet. For the smart assistant, we are using Gemini. And for revenue analytic charts, we are using Chart.js. And for the voice search, we are using Gemini AI or WebSpeech AI. This is the code for our Smart Seller dashboard. There are two main folders, the client folder and the server folder. The client folder consists of all the front-end part, and in our source, you can see these are all the components, analytics, buyer dashboard, and those so on. We have written the front-end code using React, and for the back-end part, we have used. Uh, Now we will go and see our website. This is our website, and as you can see, this is the buyer side dashboard. This contains many features. We have developed many features. Now let's go and see one by one. And first, this is a search bar where we can type manually, or we can also use voice search. As I said, it is a multilingual. As the page has multilingual support. We have included 7 different languages. So you can see almost all of the web page has been turned to different language as I selected it. It is also very fast as we have implemented methods which make sure that the website doesn't lag even though we are changing languages. As we are changing languages, we can also search in the language you have selected. For example, here we have so as you can see the product has changed to the language I requested. Now let us pick a product. Apple iPhone. As you can see, our product has successfully understood what I have said in Telugu language and successfully brought out the product. So this is how our multilingual search and multilingual website works. Also, if you want to buy any product in our website, so if you want to, let us suppose we want to buy Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max and we will add to cart. So I successfully added to the cart. And if you want to buy, we will go to the cart section. We will see all the price, quantity, and the tags and platform fee and all. And we'll get the total amount here. And if you click on order now button and click OK, our order will be successfully placed. Yes, our order is successfully placed. Uh, Also, there is another new feature that we have added that is called the PQI index. The PQI index or product quality index is a index which is based on the user reviews. And so as we bought our phone, let's write a review. And now we will write a review. This is the review ID which we'll get and the number of stars that we want to give to this one. And if you want to write a comment, we can write yes as we gave a review. And on the basis of the review, you can. So as you can see, after giving a review, the stars are the review has automatically been changed from 4 to 3 based on the review. Also, we have implemented a dark mode feature, which is very simple. So this is our buyer dashboard. Now let us go and check. This is the profile icon. Now let us go and check the seller side dashboard. This is a home. This is a login page. As we have said earlier, we have included role-based access where if for that means that simply means we have implemented uh, login for buyer and seller separate, and also it's the same with sign up. And the buyer sign up and seller sign up is completely different. Uh, So this is the seller side dashboard. As you can see, these are the 30 products that the seller has added. And as you see, the review or the PQA index has changed as soon as we wrote a review. Here he can edit and delete the respective products and any other features. And this is the product module. And if we come to order module, here we can see the order that everyone has placed. This is the analytics where we can see the weekly performance of the seller, and this is the urgent stock module. Here he can change the stocks. He can change the stocks and he can change the threshold value for the stocks. So as soon as some product hits the threshold, it gets automatically listed here, and here also it gets listed here. So as soon as he enters the website, he can check and update the stocks as soon as possible. And this is the chatbot. This chatbot has been integrated with the backend with the database so that he can by this we can see the analytics, stocks, recent orders, and sales reports. This seller module also has a the seller dashboard also has features like dark mode, and here also we can change the language into 7 different languages. Thank you.